Automate Canva AI talking avatar text to video. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make Canva AI talking avatar text to video in the easiest way. So for this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on create a design. And once you click on create a design, what you're going to do from here is you are going to go and search up video. So once you search up video, what you're going to want to do from here is just go on any recurring design. So let's say we're going to come on this video design over here. Now, this should be a good 1920 by 1080 design for a talking video. So to actually get an AI talking avatar, you're going to want to go to a website like D-ID. Okay, d-id.com is one of the greatest websites where you can go ahead and create a graphical user interface, and you can actually create a talking AI, as you can see. So you're going to sign up with your d-id section over here. Okay, get your talking avatar. Now, once you get your talking avatar, you're going to upload it over here. So let's say this is your video for talking avatar, right? Now to do text to video, okay? To do actual text to video on this, what you're going to do is you are going to be using the actual video features that Canva brings you, okay? You're going to get a lot of AI tools. So you're going to use the Canva AI tools, and for that, you are going to want to use this magic switch, okay? And in this magic switch, you're going to get Canva Pro. So once you get Canva Pro, you're going to do translate, and what that will do is it will obviously give you textings due to all the language that you're going to get. So get your avatar from D-ID, get your text AI from your Canva, and you're good to go. So that's how you're going to make Canva AI text to video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.